to be behind the speaker stack today. Are you ready to meet the rest of our team? First off, we have two of the top freestyle motocross jumpers in the world. From Chicago, Illinois, welcome AJ Roseborough. And from Butte, Montana, Levi Ritz. Starting down on your right-hand side, ladies and gentlemen, he is a young gun. He's been with the tour for a couple of years, getting his hands dirty, just dying for an opportunity to get behind the wheels of a monster truck. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a hometown show out of Victorville. Corey Keinel and Jekyll High. And making its first year on the tour, direct from Jurassic Park. Boys and girls, get your T-Rex claws ready and roar. It's Dynamite Brister and Roarin' Rex. All right, we got another truck, boys and girls. You gotta show us your shark bite.
Show us your shark bite.
Moms and dads, you remember Jimmy Buffett, he always said, fins up. It is Dan Waldron and Shark Bite. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, this truck and this man have been seen worldwide. He is a two-time Monster Jam World Champion. Out of Tonganoxie, Kansas, welcome Jimmy Creedon, the Bounty Hunter. Now, ladies and gentlemen,